Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to create another laboratory exercise. So this laboratory exercise is to create a simple program that will investigate the safety of its enumeration types. So the procedures we are going to write a simple program in C++ to investigate the safety of its enumeration types. So we are going to include at least 10 different operations on enumeration types to determine what incorrect or just silly things are legal. Same thing with C# program. So two programs that we are going to create. One is C++ using enumeration, then C# program using enumeration. So let's do this activity. So let's do first the C++. So I prepared 10 scenarios so that we can do the activity, so that we can identify the safety of using enumeration, and we can identify also the silly operations. So before that, what is enumeration? Let's define what is enumeration. So enumeration is a user-defined data type that consists of set of names with corresponding integral constant values. So meaning this is like a constant. You're declaring a constant value, but in a form of set of name. So that is enumerations. So why we're going to do that? So that the code is readable and maintainable. So to make an enum or enumeration, so just put enum with the name of your enumeration. So in our case, so we will do set of colors. So we are going to define colors here with the name color. Okay, so let's say for example, so red, green, blue, yellow. So all colors. So we will include 10 colors here. Basic colors. And let's say gray. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 colors we define here in one name color. So actually, you're just giving a name to a constant value. So for example, you can do like this. Instead of red, you can do like this, 1000, only integer value or values. But instead of using numbers, we assign 1000 to red. So you can do like this. So the start of our constant value or integral value is 1000. So green is equivalent to 1001. Blue is equal to 1002. So but you can actually remove this one, and then the system will automatically do the indexing. So the green is automatically 1001, blue is 1002, yellow is 1003. So that is the enum. And if you don't put a value for the red, automatically C++ red is equivalent to index 0 or integral value 0. But if you want to start with 1, you can actually do like this, equal to 1. Then automatic, green is number 2, blue is 3. So it's just put a name to an integral constant value. Okay, so this is the syntax of how to define an enum or enumeration. So let's remove 1. So let's start with index 0. So now I prepared 10 scenarios to test the enums, the safetyness of enums in C++, and also we can identify the silly operations in using enum. So in number 1, how we can compare enum values. So let's do the number 1. So we are going to use the if condition. If, okay, wait, so we have to declare a variable so that we can compare. So the name of our enum is color. Just simply use the name color, then declare a variable color1. Okay, so let's do the comparison. If color1 is equal to red, like that, okay, then we will output cout color1 is basically red, then end line. Okay, so like this. So what if I put other color? So let's say yellow green. Is it valid? Yellow green. Okay, if we run this, I think of course we will have an error because yellow green is not on the list of our color in our enum. Let's run. Okay, so because as you can see, because there's no yellow green in the list of our color inside our enum, so you cannot do that. So this is not valid. Okay. So let's say put red. So okay, I forgot here the value of our variable color1 is red, so that we can compare color1 to red. Okay, so for number 2, assign enum value to an integer. So is this silly operation or this is a valid operation? Okay, so to do that, let's say cout blue. Let's say blue as integer. Let's do like this. Let's put number here. This is number 1. This is so that we can identify easily number 2, blue as integer. So how to do that? Okay, so to do that, let's do end line. Let's declare another variable here, int color to integer. Let's say, can we assign one of the color here to an integer? So let's say blue. blue. So this is valid because if we are going to get the index of blue, so we'll start to count to 0, 0, 1, 2. So the value of color in is 2. So the answer here, blue as integer. So let's put here color in. So actually we know already what is the output of this. The value of all color in is 2. So blue as integer. So the output here is 2. Let's run. So blue as integer 2. Okay. Next, number 3. Assign integer to enum. So here enum value to integer. Now let's make it integer to enum, and only in the valid range. So what is our range? We only have 10 colors here. So meaning from 0 to 9. So we are going to put only valid range here. So for number 3, so since we have color 1 is equal to, can we do like this? This is valid number because we have the range of our colors is 0 to 9 or 10. Okay, so let's output this. See out color 1 after assignment and let's display color 1. Then end line. Is this valid, or this is one of the silly operation of using enum? So that is not valid because conversion from int to color is not valid. So how we can make it valid? Okay, so we can do that by using the static casting of C++. Static casting is like type casting wherein you're going to convert one data type to another. So since enum is a user-defined data type, so the data type is defined by the user, so we are going to use static casting. This is just like for example, you're going to convert the float to become an integer. So for example, you have double, you want to convert that to integer. So it's like down casting or narrowing casting, like that. So to be able to assign integer to the enum, we are going to use the static cast of C++. So to identify the data type of the enum color. So color. Then we will do like this. So we are converting 2 as an enum data type, so that we can achieve the assigning of integer to the enum with a valid range. 2 is a valid range because our enum is from 0 to 9, or this is total of 10. Okay, so let's run. So there you go. Color 1 after assignment 2. So now this is valid range also. So let's put here, this is number 3. Okay, so let's achieve Scenario number 4, assign integer to enum with invalid range. Okay, so we will put more than 10. So let's see if still the enum will accept that. Okay. So we'll do this. We can declare another variable color 2 to achieve scenario number 4. Color 2 is equal to static cast color, then let's put 50. Is this acceptable? So we'll see out color 2. This is number 4. After assigning 10, after assigning 50, assignment color 2 and inline. Okay, so we put here 50. So C++ will accept 50 for the color number 2 or color 2 variable with static casting. Okay, let's run. Yes, it will accept, even though we put here invalid range. Okay. Because color 2 is just a variable instantiated by the color enum. So it's still accepted. Number 5, we are going to print out enum value directly. So let's say purple. We want to print the enum value of purple. Okay. So to accomplish that, so only use cout. So purple as enum value end line. Okay. So let's put here purple. So by doing this, we can display the value of the purple inside the enum. So the index of the purple in our enum color. Okay, let's run. So there you go. Purple as enum value 5. So in purple is in the position 5, or the value is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. The value of purple is 5. Like that. So we can also do like this. So using color with double colon, then this is purple. This is another way. Okay, there you go. Purple enum value 5. Okay. So let's put here 5. Number 6. In enum, we can do addition, operation on enum values. So is this silly? So let's find out. Or we can do something so that we can make an addition operation in enum values. Okay, so our enum values is with colors, list of colors here. So can we do red plus green or red plus green plus blue? So is that acceptable using the enum? Okay, so let's do that. So let's make another variable to separate the handling of our scenario. Okay. Color 3. So color 3 is equal to red plus green. Let's say red plus green. Okay. Let's find out. Let's print. So this is number 6. Red plus green. Color 3. End line. Okay. So let's run. Is it acceptable? Red plus green. What is the output? So there you go. So we have an error. We cannot direct make an addition for our enum. So as you can see in our error, invalid conversion from integer data type to color data type. Okay. So this is one of the silly operation in using an enum. But we can make a solution because if we are going to define again the enum, so enum is a user-defined data type with corresponding integral conversion. So again, let's say for example, red is basically we can do equal to 1. Green basically equal to 2. So we can get the value of red and green, and then we can make an addition for every colors that we have. Okay. So to accomplish that, so we are going to use again for number 6 the static casting or the type casting, so that we can be able to achieve red plus green. So meaning it's like 1 plus 2, like that. So let's use static cast and the data type of the color, so that the red plus green will get the data type of the color enum. Okay, let's run this. So there you go. Red plus green is 1. Because red is 0 and green is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So that's why the output is red plus green is 1. Okay. So number 7. So subtraction operation on enum values. So basically this is actually same with addition. We can copy this. And let's do the subtraction. Let's say yellow minus other color, orange. So yellow minus orange and color 3. Oops. Yellow 6, 7. Okay. Okay, so yellow minus orange, what is our output? Yellow minus orange is negative 1. So why? Why negative 1? Let's compute this. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yellow is 3 minus orange. Okay, that's why. Because orange is 4, meaning 3 minus 4. So the answer is negative 1. So that's it. That's why negative 1. Okay, number 8, enum to integer to enum conversion. So enum to integer, okay, then to enum conversion. Okay, let's do this. So let's declare integer. Let's say temperature. Temperature int. Let's equal that to color 1. Color 1 is equal to red. So meaning red is with the value 0. So temperature int is equivalent to something like this 0, but we are going to use color 1. Okay. Then color 1 enum to integer. So color 1 is equal to like this. So meaning enum to integer, then enum to integer, or vice versa. Okay. So let's try to print this. This is number 8. Color 1 after conversion then let's print color 1 end line. So is this acceptable? Integer to enum, then enum to integer. Okay. Let's run. Oops, we have error. Maybe we forgot something. Oh, so invalid conversion from integer to color again. So we have to use the static cast. So let's use static cast. Let's do that here. Color. Okay. Let's convert the integer temp int to the data type of enum color. Okay. So the output color 1 after conversion is 2. And let's accomplish the scenario enum comparison with integer. Okay. So enum to integer. So is this possible or just a silly operation? So to do that, so if let's say color 1 is equal to, let's say 5, so cout color 1 is 5. Okay, so let's run. So color 1 is 5 for our number 9. Where is our number 9? This is number 9. Run. Okay. So why there's no output? Because color 1 is equal to 5. So the answer is false. So that's why our cout is not print. So if we are going to make like this to 2, let's see. Okay. Color is 2. Okay. So the value of our color 1 now is 2. So that's why in number 8, color 1 after conversion is equivalent to 2. Okay. Number 10. Assign enum of different type. So we will make another enum here. Then we will compare that to our color enum. Okay. So let's make another enum. Let's say enum shape. Then we will compare the circle, square, and triangle. Okay. Then shape. Okay, then let's compare. Okay, like this. Shape. It's equivalent to, can we do like this? Direct color 1. Then see out shape after assignment. Shape. Oops. And line. Okay. So here we created another enum with the name shape. So in shape, we added circle, square, triangle. Then we instantiate an object shape from our enum shape. Then we compare that to color 1, direct. So I think this is a silly operation because this is a color and this is a shape. So let's run if this is possible. Okay, so we cannot do that. Error cannot convert because we have two enums, color and shape, so we cannot do the comparison, or we cannot assign one enum to another. Okay, so but how about let's use static cast. So with the use of static cast, so we can compare shape, and this is color. Okay, so I think we can compare shape to color enum. Okay, shape after assignment is 2. Okay, so this is number. So it's just like this. So color 1 is with the value 2. Okay, we compare that to enum shape. So it's just like 0, 1, 2 triangle. So the value of shape here is triangle, like that. So using the static cast, we can be able to convert enum, or we can convert one like this primitive type to another data type. So it's either narrowing or downgrading that particular cast. Let's say double, you can convert that to integer, or float, you can convert that to integer, like that. So this is the purpose of using the static cast. So here, so we identify the 10 scenarios for to identify here the enumeration to determine what incorrect or just silly things are legal. Silly things but legal. Okay, I forgot. This is legal but this is silly. This is like this. Let's say static cast. Color. Let's see. Okay. Actually, this is invalid. Invalid, but legal. What is the why? Because there's no 1,000 integer 1,000 in our enum color. So this is invalid range, but color tree will accept the assignment 1,000. So meaning color tree is with assigned value 1,000. Okay, this is an example of invalid because out of range, but still legal, like that. So I hope you understand how to use enum in C++. So next we are going to create we're going to use enum in C#. Okay, so let's do now enumeration in using C# code. So again, the same with C++, we're going to accomplish these 10 scenarios so that we can identify the safetiness and the silly operation of using enumeration in C# program. Okay, so the name of our class here is enumeration safety. So again, let's declare enum. So the same with C++, it's like this. Then the list of colors. Okay, let's copy all the colors from our C++ code so that it will not take time to answer our scenarios. Okay, so since this is C++, C#, so we're going to make our main method public static void main string of array args. So next, we will answer now the number 1. Compare enum values. So if okay, you have to declare variable color. Enum color 1 is equal to red. Okay, color 1 is equal to red. So console. So in C#, we're going to use console dot write line. So number 1, color 1 is red color. So is this correct or with error? This one. So we have an error. So array type specifier must appear before parameter name. Public static void main array. Color 1. Okay. So we cannot do here assign red to color 1 variable. Just like in C++, we can simply put red here. So in C#, we must put the name of our enum color that red, like this. So we must specify the color that red. Let's run. Okay. This one, I'm wrong. Sorry. Run. Okay. So color 1 is red. By the way, can we remove this? Let's try. So yeah, we cannot simply put red. So as you can see, the name red does not exist in the current context. So we must specify the name of our enum. Unlike in C++, we can simply put red without putting the name of our enum. So like that. That's the difference of C++ and C# in defining in using enum in the public static void main. Okay. So color that. So number 2, assign enum value to an integer. So console that right line. So let's put this number 2. Blue as integer. Then our variable okay. So let's do int color integer, same in C++, is equal to color dot blue. So assign enum value to an integer. So this is enum value assigned to an integer. Then we are going to display blue as an integer. So this is color int. So is this acceptable? So error. So cannot implicitly convert. So we are going to use here casting. Are you missing a cast? So according to the error, so color to integer. So in C++ we use static cast. So here we have to convert this so that we can assign the value of enum to integer color int. To do that, so in C# we are going to use direct int like that. So simply like this. This is the way you can cast in C#. Okay. So just put the primitive data type here and beside of your enum. Okay. Okay. So blue as integer is equivalent to 2. Okay. So y2 again. 0 is red, green is 1, then blue is 2. Number 3, assign an integer to enum with a valid range. Okay. So let's do that. Color 1 to enum. Can we do like this? Same. So I think we need to convert. Okay. So console that right line. Color 1 after assignment. Let's put this is number 3. Okay, then let's go get the value of color 1. Okay, run. So we have an error again. Cannot implicitly convert type into color. So we are going to convert this. Okay, this is an integer, and this is color 1 is an object instantiated by an enum color. So this is color enum, and this is an integer. So we have to convert these to color. So let's make a cast. So let's put color. This color is a user-defined data type. So this number 2, we are converting this to become a data type of color enum. So let's try. So there you go. So color after assignment blue. Okay. 2. Index 2. So index 2 is 0, 1, 2. So blue. So color 1 after assignment is blue. Number 4. Assign integer to enum with invalid range. Okay. So let's put color 2. So let's use here color 2 is equal to invalid range, say 1000. Okay, let's copy. So this is number 4, color 2 after assignment, then color 2. So again, this is error because we need to convert to data type color. The integer 1000. 1000 is invalid range because our color or list of colors is just 10 in by number. Okay, this is total of 10. So this is 1000, so that's why this is invalid range, but it's still acceptable. Okay, so let's run. Okay, because we just assign integer 1000 to color 2 enum, like that. So we can do that because actually enum is with an integral value. So we just replace a constant integer value with a name. So that we can actually assign an integer to an enum. So like that. Number 5. Print out enum value directly. Okay, so we can do that by doing like this. So number 5, so this good color, orange. So orange as enum value. Okay, then let's call our enum color dot orange. Okay, so is this correct, or we need to make a casting here? Let's run. Yeah, so we have to put like this, color dot orange. So print out enum value. Enum value. So the value of orange. So we have to use casting int. Yeah. So the value of color.orange is, in enum value is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. Number 6. Addition. Okay. Let's do the addition. Let's make another variable here. Color 3. So color 3 is equivalent to, can we do like this, color dot green plus color dot yellow. This is green plus yellow. And this is color 3. Okay. So we cannot do this. This is one of the silly operation that we can do. It will cause an error because we cannot make an addition for enum color.green plus color.yellow. So one of the silly operation that we can perform, but the C# will not accept this because this will cause error. So to make an addition here, so we are going to convert, or we are going to make a casting here. So let's do the casting. So this one is integer, and also this is integer. Okay, let's try. So again, integer to color. Okay, because since this is now an integer and this is also an integer, then we assign the value of these to an enum color 3. Color 3 is instantiated by enum color. So color 3 is an enum. So therefore, we need to convert this to an enum. So to do that, so just simply put color with a parenthesis. Slide. Yellow plus green, orange. Okay. So we need to put a parenthesis to this both. Okay. Then green plus yellow is orange. So meaning, what is the value of green? Green is 1, and yellow, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is 1 plus 3, because this is equal to 1 and this is 3. So meaning 3 plus 1, that is equivalent to orange. Okay, so we get this color orange. So that's why the output is orange for the number 6. Okay, subtraction. So let's subtract again. Same with number 6, color 3 is equal to, so to make it easy, make it faster, just copy paste. So let's minus that. Same color that green minus color that yellow. So let's make this number 7. So what is the output? -2. Okay. So because green is 1 minus 3, so -2. So let's do now number 8. Enum to integer. Enum to integer. So int is equal to color 1. Okay, so enum to become an integer. So we have to convert this. So this is our enum color 1 and assigned to an integer temp int. So color 1 is equal to the value of temp int. Color. Okay, then we will display. So this is number 8. So color 1 after conversion. Then let's print color. Okay. Okay. The error is expression denotes a type where variable value meant was expected. Color 1. So the error is here. This is the syntax to cast the temp int. Temp int to become an enum. Okay. So the color is blue. Blue 0, 1, 2. Okay. Color 1 after conversion is blue. So for number 9, enum comparison with integer. So if enum compared to an integer value. So if let's say color 1 is equal to 2, okay, then console that color 1 is 2. But again, we need to do the type casting, because again, if we don't use casting, we will have an error, because this one, color 1 is an enum and 2 is an integer. So we'll do like this. Okay, color 1 is 2. So this is number 9. Number 10, assign enum of different type. Okay, so just like in our C++, we will declare another enum named shape with value circle, square, and triangle. Okay, then shape is instance enum shape. Let's instantiate an object. Shape is equal to, okay, because we are going to assign enum to another enum. But to do that, and is casting with an enum shape. Then let's display. Plus shape. Okay. So color 1 is, as we all know, this is value 2 or color blue. Okay, so meaning 2, we converted that to enum shape. So in enum shape, we have value circle, square, and triangle. Circle is 0, square is 1, triangle is 2. So basically, the output here is 2. What is the error? Enum. Possible mistake in empty statement. Unexpected symbol. So meaning we cannot do enum inside public static void main. So we will remove that, then put it here. Okay, and let's try. Yeah, so there you go. The output is triangle. The value is triangle in our enum shape, because actually color 1 is value 2. Okay, and then 2 in the shape enum is equivalent to triangle. So that is the reason. And I found out that in C++ we can declare enum inside our main method. We can simply put enum here, but in C# we cannot. So I just remove that enum, then I put that outside our class like that. Okay, just like in C++, here, let's say color 3 is equivalent to 1,000. Okay? This is invalid. Okay? But legal. So again, because we just assign 1,000 and we convert it to an enum color, but without a name, without a representing a name for 1,000. Okay, so we just assign 1,000 to enum color 3. So this is out of the range, because we only have 10 colors, but invalid because not between 0 to 9 or 1 to 10, but still legal. So this is the way how to use enum in two programming languages, C++ and C#. So we learned the differences between C++ and the C# in terms of using enum. So I hope you understand. I hope you understand this. Thank you for watching.